Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ang isang magandang balita sana. Kaya lang lumalabas nakakatawa. Parang padrama-drama lang ito. Okay, tungkol ito sa yung na-cite in contempt sa Senado, si Special Envoy Marcos Lacanilaw. So, nung third hearing, kinulong na. Mamaya pinalabas ni Senate President Escudero dahil makipag-attend daw sa libing ng kanyang lolo. Tapos binigyan ng paliwanag. So ito, may desisyon na ang Senado, Senate President, ikulong. Kailan? Ang pagkakulong, 2 days lang. Imbes na good news na sana, dahil at least may makukulong na. Ay hustisya na yung nangyari kay PRRD. Bakit 2 days lang? Ito, sa ABS-CBN News, balita, Senate detains Special Envoy who accompanied Duterte to The Hague. Ito yung dahilan bakit nakulong ang Pangulong Duterte. Siya ang pumirma ng mga papeles. Okay. Senate President Francis Escudero. Tingnan nyo ha. Kayo ang humusga kung maganda ba itong ginawa ng Senate President. Escudero has ordered the detention of Ambassador Marcos Lacanilaw, who was held in contempt by the Senate Foreign Relations Committee for testifying evasively during its investigation of the arrest and surrender of former President Rodrigo Duterte by the Philippine government to the International Criminal Court to stand trial for crimes against humanity. Lacanilaw personally handed over Duterte to the ICC. So ito yung nakalagay sa order na pinirma ni Senator Escudero. After careful evaluation, Ambassador Lacanilaw is hereby ordered placed under the custody of the Senate of the Philippines for a period not exceeding 2 days. I think nagsimula kagabi. 2 days. Having failed to satisfactorily explain through a clear statement of facts why his answers during the hearing were not evasive. Further, he is admonished to attend future hearings and provide truthful answers to questions propounded during the inquiry. So, a show cause order was issued to Lacanilaw on April 11 after the committee made its ruling on April 10. By April 15, Lacanilaw sent a reply to the show cause order explaining why he should not be held in contempt and reiterating his lack of personal knowledge as to whether Duterte was presented before competent national judicial authorities. Senate Sergeant of Arms Robert Ancan sent a memorandum to Secretary Renato Banog of the Senate stating that Lacanilaw received his detention order. Senate spokesperson Banyas confirmed that Lacanilaw, Special Envoy on Transnational Crime, is now in Senate custody. A copy of the order was sent to the office of the Special Envoy for Transnational Crime at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, kahapon. After which, his legal counsel immediately proceeded to the office of the Senate Secretary to confirm the said order. Ambassador Lacanilaw voluntarily presented himself before the Senate to personally receive and comply with the order. Okay. Ambassador Lacanilaw went through standard procedure and was checked by the Medical and Dental Bureau. He shall remain in custody of the Senate for a period not exceeding 2 days. Senate Foreign Relations Committee Chair Amy Marcos has yet to issue a statement. Ay, sigurado, magre-reklamo yan sina Senator Amy, Senator Bato at iba pa, Senator Cayetano. So, ano naman ang masasabi nyo mga kaibigan? To me, maganda na sana. Kailang, binigyan 2 days lang. Doon na, nakakadismaya. Bakit 2 days lang? Samantala si Colonel Grijaldo, more than 3 months na nandun, nakakulong pa rin. Kita mo yung Okay, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Ana Dujali, the boat is sinking. Gums and noses are bleeding. Who do you call? Let's cheese it. Glenda Paho, what a change of heart. Baby Aisa, playing safe, cheese whiz. Ito na, playing safe. Parang pagbigyan, kaya lang, wala na, hindi mo na maluluko ang taong bahay ngayon. Kung wala sanang 2 days, bibilib na ako kay Senator Escudero. Sasaluduhan ko siya. Talagang pupurihin ko. Talagang patas siya. Yung pagbigay niya ng show cause order, yung nagpaliwanag, okay lang yon. Ngayon, kulang yung paliwanag, kinulong. Sana, ikunulong mo ng diretso hanggang very questionable para sa akin na opinion ko lang ito. Bakit 2 days lang? Ayan. Reyna Clue. Trust and approval ratings maybe. Para bang na-pressure sila dahil pabulusok na ang trust and approval rating ng Pangulo eh. Ito nga, Revened Oner Bumol. Cheese changed his mind after Marcos' trust and approval rating is down. Okay, ito pa. Political news. Picture please as proof. Yan. Dapat magpalabas sana sila na baka mamaya nandun lang. Anyway, speculation lang ito. Maganda sana kung may picture. Marivic RB. Don't forget Grijaldo, who's still detained. Yan. More than 3 months na. Janice Bacani Karandang, for formality and drama. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Marjorie Agapay, sacrificial lamb. Another tactics. Vote wisely. Merita Ruth, cheese is getting more pungent. Strong taste kong as ginamos pa, maus na. Wait and see. Send memes. Desperate move, but it's too late. The public has already locked in their bets for this election. Correct. Nakadecide ng mga tao sinong iboboto nila. Ayang padrama effect na yan, wala na yan. So, sayang. But let's face it, that's reality. They are powers that be. Basta kawawa si Colonel Grijaldo. Okay, salamat.